guys, what's up? Yeah, here with Simple Keys. Welcome back to another video. In this lesson, I'm going to be teaching you a smooth groove I picked up from TikTok. This has been going viral and I thought I would share this with you. Very smooth groove, very nice vibes, only 4 chords, and I'm going to break it down for you in this lesson. So let's go ahead and get started. Now this groove I would say is in the key of E flat minor, which is very similar to G flat major. So I'm going to play the major scale first, then I'm going to play the minor scale. So G flats are 1, A flats are 2, B flats are 3, B's are 4, D flats are 5, E flats are 6, F's are 7, and then G flat will bring us back to the top. All right, now this is more of a minor groove. We're playing neo soul. So neo soul, generally speaking, is more of a mellow type of music. So we're gonna play the relative minor to G flat major. And to find the relative minor, you just have to go to the 6th tone of that scale. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Play that exact same scale, but just start on the 6th. So that's E flat, F, G flat, A flat, B. This should be C flat, D flat, then back to E flat. So, all right, so we're in the key of E flat minor for this. Now, if you know anything about neo soul, is that it's more about a groove than it is about rules. So diatonically, or playing chords from the diatonic scale, the 6, generally speaking, is a minor. But when you're playing neo soul, the groove overrides the rules. So instead of playing a minor here, we're going to be playing a major. And that's really where we're going to start with this movement. Now, if you want to learn how I'm able to pick up all these songs or these movements by ear, I do have a program called Master the Piano. I walk you through everything that you need to know, from the fundamentals, chords, progressions, and how to break down songs. And if you also want to learn how to play in all 12 keys, I do have a guide. So go ahead and check that out if you want to know what I'm doing behind the scenes, so you can have a bird's eye view of what I'm doing behind the music. But let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to start in the 6 on this one. So instead of playing an E flat minor chord here, neo soul, we switch things up, and I'm going to play this as a major. So I'm going to play just an E flat major chord here, very simple: E flat, G, B flat, and then E flat. Now I also like to add in that 9. So this is an E flat add 9 when you add that in there. So that's the first chord. Next chord. So this is really simple. We're only just going to go up a half step. So it's the exact same chord, just going up a half step. So this is now an E. This is like an E add 9. So E, G flat, A flat, B, E flat. So first chord, E flat major add 9, E major add 9. Next chord. Now this is a stretch. You don't have to play the stretch. I just like to mess around with that, but you can play it this way. You can play like an E flat minor 7 in your right hand over the B, which makes it a B major add 9 as well, or B major 9 if you want to see it that way. So one more time: E flat major add 9, E major add 9, and then this is a B major add 9. Last chord, and this is it. This is the entire groove. So this is an A flat minor 11. So you can play it this way, but I like it down here because the melody is down here. So that's A flat, G flat. You can play the B flat here, B, and the D flat. And that's the entire groove right there. So So that's the entire groove. So I would recommend just going through that, playing it really slow, and then over time start to pick it up, and then play along with the groove or play along with the song. You'll figure out that it's very, very simple, and also just adds more chords to your vocabulary. So I'm going to end this here. I won't overcomplicate this. So let me know if you'd like to see more of this type of content. I'm going to see you in the next video. Peace.